Hey there, and welcome back to our patio. I'm Jenny, this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are firing up the grill for a delicious pork recipe.
That's right, Jenny. Today we're making grilled pork chops with peach salsa.
I love it. I love pairing meat with a fruit salsa. It's so good.
Yes, and so fresh, and it just brings out all the great flavors in the meat.
Yeah. All right, so should we talk about our pork a little bit?
Yes, so we have pork chops is the main star of our show today. And we made a delicious marinade ahead of time, and we're going to marinate our pork. So what went into our marinade, we did this in the food processor. It's just really the easiest tool to use to make this. We've got peach halves in there, we've got lemon juice, honey, and then...
A little olive oil.
Olive oil, that's right. So we're going to pour this over our pork chops here. I love, too, that the marinade actually has peaches in it.
Yeah. And this marinade, you can go ahead and marinate your pork a day, up to a day ahead of time. And the longer it marinates, the more flavor it's going to have.
Yes, so what we would do is we'd stick this in the fridge, let it marinate. We actually have some that has been marinating overnight, so that will be delicious to use. So here we go. Let's open this up here.
Okay.
Excellent.
Yum. All right, so we have our grill. It's been preheated to a medium-high heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these pork chops on the grill. Okay.
And we've already sprayed our grill too, so it shouldn't stick. I'm just gonna put these on there.
I love that sound.
I know, it's the best, that little sizzle of the grill. So while Jenny's doing that, I'm gonna get started on our salsa recipe. So again, we're using peaches today. So we've got some sweet and some spicier ingredients to add to our salsa. So we've got chopped up peaches. And when you're looking for a peach, you want one that yields to gentle pressure. It's really the main thing you're looking for to make sure that it's ripe. And if it's not ripe yet, you can always put it in a brown paper bag, similar to like an avocado, and just kind of let it ripen.
You definitely want that ripeness because that means it's nice and sweet.
Yes, exactly. We've also got
our chopped up red bell pepper.
Love the colors too here. Just add a little parsley, some onion, and then we're using serrano peppers.
Yeah, so serranos are spicier than a jalapeno. So if you aren't a big fan of spicy food, feel free to just use a jalapeno or leave the hot pepper out completely.
Yes, and then we've got a little bit of sugar for the touch of sweetness.
And then I'll just do a little bit of pepper and salt.
I love the colors in this peach salsa.
Yum.
So pretty. And when you're making salsas like this, it's good to kind of let it sit for a little bit and let those flavors come together, similar to the marinade. The longer you let it sit, the more those flavors are gonna come together.
Definitely. So our pork will take about 10 minutes total. We'll flip it halfway through. So we'll check on it in just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, so the pork chops have been on the grill for about 10 minutes and we've flipped them halfway through. So let's take a look. They should be done.
They smell so good. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. Let's try these. Here's one.
Delicious. Oh my gosh. So serve this up with our salsa.
I just love the colors in the salsa.
Oh my gosh, yes. It'll pair so great with the
pork.
Amazing marinade we have too. So here's a fork.
Thank you.
Knife.
All right.
Try to get
Let's
in
give
here.
this a try.
What an easy, either weeknight meal or even great if you are entertaining.
I'm always looking for something quick and easy that, you know, a wide variety of people would enjoy.
Yes,
I think this definitely fits the bill.
Definitely a summery recipe too.
Really juicy, super tender.
I like that little kick too from the pepper. Delicious.
Is it too spicy for you?
I mean, it's pretty spicy, but I think I had a huge one in my mouth, so that's what happened. It's good.
Well, we hope you give this pork recipe a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit fastfoods.com.